On today's episode of Can We Get This Old Thing to Run? 1978 Honda XL75. It's missing a bunch of stuff from research. It's missing the speedometer, missing blinkers, missing side covers, seats all tore up. Yeah. This old thing's in rough shape. But I'm gonna work on it and see if I can get it to start. Or turn over at least. It's missing a battery too. We'll see. Well, verdict is will not run today. Throttle cable stuck. And it looks like this thing's been on fire before. All this stuff is melted. Yep. Maybe I'll get a throttle cable for it and see what it does. Stay tuned.